Hello, this is Scott Baker with River to River Log Homes. We're up here today in Stanley, Idaho. Winter wonderland today, it's snowing. So we have actually this structure behind us was built in the 1840s. Can you believe it? It served as a hotel and a trading post. Miners would leave out of here and go north to mine. Some of them actually got stuck in a snowstorm once and died back in the late 1800s. So this structure here in Stanley, I guess it's stood the test of time on some level. We do have some rotten logs here on the first and second level here that are going to need to be replaced here. So, and then the rest of the structure here definitely needs some work. So anything you have, 1840s to present, we can get it taken care of for you. So there's actually several structures here. Some other cabins that need some chinking also, of course some staining. They all need some work, but they're actually in pretty good shape considering their age. So we can do anything that you need. Give us a call. Repair, restoration, additions, new construction. Give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out. Free estimates. And remember, be one with nature in the log home of your dreams.